So what is the correct answer? Now if you check the textbook, chemistry textbook for under nitrogen and its compounds, you will note that the laboratory preparation of nitrogen is actually from, there is laboratory preparation of nitrogen from ammonium dioxynitrate 3. So how do we come about this? So like I said, this is the lab preparation for nitrogen, laboratory preparation for nitrogen from ammonium dioxynitrate 3. But how does this happen? This actually happens by using a mixture